Hello YouTube. We're out here on the water this morning. Ain't caught nothing but catfish hardheads. But they're jumping everywhere and we're trying to get them. But we're gonna keep at it until we get something that's worth keeping. Miss Brandy had a big one and it got away. I'm trying to figure this it's hard to see out here in this sunshine. Yeah, well, I don't know if you can see her. There's Brandy.
Hey. Looks like we might have some rain building.
Rain building?
Yeah, behind us.
Oh well, it's still behind us. But we're out here in Anahuac on the channel that enters Trinity Bay. Well, I'm gonna get back to fishing and see if we can do anything. That ain't what I wanted to do. Lose this goddamn phone in the water.
Yeah.
Well, we caught a couple of old hardheads, and the weather don't look too good right now, so we're gonna head back into the dock and see if this passes over. But it looks like rain to me. Huh, baby?
Yep.
And I hope I push record. I can't see. Yeah, I did. If I take these glasses off, I could probably see better. There I am. But we just putting along. There've been bait fish jumping everywhere, but hadn't caught nothing but the old hardhead catfish.
Seen some big fish up at the top.
Yeah, we've seen some big fish come to the top, but they've got plenty of bait fish to bite. Well, I think that weather is passing on over.
Yep.
So I think we'll park and try it again. Well, I'm gonna have to find me some kind of tripod for the boat. I don't know what to use. I think I could mount me a rod holder and set this tripod in it. We'll just have to wait and see. You got it under control, Captain?
I got it.
I control the boat motor. She controls the trolling motor and the depth finder. Hey, that's supposed to be a fish finder. You need to find the fish.
Kiss Mom.
Beep. I like to aggravate her. Oh well, we're gonna give it another whirl.
He's been doing it all morning.
I think because I've caught more than she has. I think just one up on her, that's all. She's fixing to get me. Oh well, we'll see what we can do. Well, we went fishing, and I guess our first trip out fishing in our boat, we got initiated. It poured down raining on us. Oh well, That's life. We caught a bunch of what we call hardhead saltwater catfish. We probably caught 30 of them son of guns and nothing else. Oh well, that's our first fishing trip out. No pitch clean to cook, that's for sure. And we headed home. We're soaking wet. The truck's all wet inside now. And another initiation, the plug popped out while we were in the water and filled the boat up. We had to pull the boat back out real quick and get the water out. Oh well, we're initiated for the first trip. That's what's wrong.
Yeah.
So we'll get a new plug, a couple of new plugs to go in there, and we'll try it again later. We love y'all. Y'all subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll make you another fishing wet video. Oh Lord, look at this. Bye y'all.